write your love song for your pure love. But I don't know how to write it as a pleasant song, because I've never written a song as a songwriter in my life. Somehow I should do it for your pure love and for your kind, beautiful heart. I believe that it's my right and it's your desire, in the name of our overflowing love, in the name of our overflowing love.
Actually, I was fed up, love, because many girls have cheated my innocent heart. So before I thought that women are pickle, I believe that women are playing with me, as I could feel two-faced love. After meeting you, I understood that how is real love and how I thought is wrong about love. You taught me correct way to go ahead to win my life. Thereby, you was my teacher in past time.
I am willing to write your love song for your pure love, in the name of our overflowing love.
I can remember well, when I was childhood, my mother told me something about real love. As she told me the source of love has been mother from antiquity to now. Likewise, I have heard many scholars have said that real love is pure and selfless and humanitarian. You proved and showed me what people say is true about real love. That's why, signally, I respect you like a mother, as you two were the source of real love. That's why, signally, I respect you like a mother, as you two were the source of real love.